Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered if walking could actually help you lose weight? I know it seems too simple, right? We live in a world that promotes intense workouts, crazy diets, and the latest fat burning supplements. But what if I told you that you could lose weight simply by doing something you already do every day? And that's walking. It's hard to believe, but walking has immense weight loss potential. Yes, walking, the most basic movement, yet one that's often overlooked in the world of fitness and weight loss. You don't need a gym membership, you don't need fancy equipment, and you don't need to push yourself to exhaustion. But the real question is, does it really work? So today we are going to break down how walking can help you lose weight and how to maximize it for the best results. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will have a new respect for the power of walking. So, why walking works for weight loss? Let's start with a very simple truth. When you walk, your body burns calories, and calorie burned is equal to weight loss. But there is more to it than just burning calories. Unlike running or intense workouts that can be too harsh on your joints, walking is gentle on your body. It's easy to do, accessible to everyone, and believe it or not, walking regularly can lead to significant fat loss. Walking increases your heart rate, which in turn boosts your metabolism. This means your body will burn calories not just while you walk, but for hours afterward as well. It's like your body keeps working even when you are resting. But here is the real kicker, you don't need to walk for hours on end to see results. Just 45 to 60 minutes of brisk walking a day can help you shed pounds steadily and safely. So, how much walking do you need to do? If you want to see weight loss with walking, consistency is key. You don't need to walk 5 hours a day, but aim for at least 30 to 60 minutes of brisk walking every day. This can be broken down into two shorter sessions if you don't have time for a long walk. But how much is too much? Well, walking isn't something that should tire you out completely. You shouldn't be grasping for air, but you should feel your heart rate increase and you should be able to carry on a conversation but not sing. And what about steps? Many weight loss experts recommend aiming for 8,000 to 10,000 steps a day. That's the number of steps that can have a noticeable impact on your weight. Track your steps using a pedometer, a smartphone app, or a smartwatch. It will motivate you to stay on track and gradually increase your daily count. So, how walking burns fat and what's the science behind it? You might be wondering, okay, so I walk, but how does this actually help me lose weight? Let me explain this. When you engage in any form of physical activity, including walking, your body needs energy. And where does that energy come from? From the food you eat, and more importantly, from your fat stores. When you walk at a brisk pace, your body taps into its fat stores for energy, turning that stubborn fat into fuel. But what's even more interesting? As you continue walking daily, your body's fat burning efficiency improves. This means that the more consistently you walk, the easier it becomes for your body to burn fat. This results in gradual weight loss, and the best part is it's sustainable. Moreover, walking has a much lower risk of injury compared to running. This makes it a great option for people who want to lose weight but may have joint problems or those who are just starting their fitness journey. And here is the secret, you can't outwork a bad diet. Walking is amazing for weight loss, but if you eat foods high in sugar, fats, and processed foods, your efforts will be limited. Focus on a balanced diet that supports your weight loss efforts. Eat plenty of fresh vegetables, fruits, lean proteins like beans or tofu, whole grains, and healthy fats such as avocado and olive oil. Try to incorporate more fiber-rich foods like lentils, beans, and oats into your meals. These foods help you feel fuller for longer, making it easier to resist cravings and stick to your walking routine. And drinking enough water is also crucial. Staying hydrated helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, more if you are walking longer distances. So, how quickly will you see results from walking? Weight loss doesn't happen overnight, but the good news is you will start seeing changes sooner than you think. Here is what you can expect in the first few weeks of walking consistently. In the week 1, you might feel soreness in your muscles as your body adjusts. You will sleep better, feel more energetic, and begin to notice a difference in your mood. And in the week 2 to 3, you will start to feel more toned. Clothes will begin to feel a little looser. Your legs, hips, and abdomen may start showing some slimming signs. Your digestion improves and you feel more active. And in the week 4 and further weeks, you may lose up to 2 to 4 kilos depending on how much you walk, your diet, and your metabolism. Your body composition will start changing and you will feel stronger both physically and mentally. So, here are some walking tips to maximize fat loss. First is walk at a brisk pace. Like we talked about earlier, speed matters. Aim for a pace where your heart rate is elevated but you will still able to talk. Number 2, walk after meals. Walking post meals can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent fat storage. So even a 15-minute walk after lunch or dinner can be helpful. Number 3, use your arms. Swing your arms while walking. This not only engages your upper body but also helps burn more calories. Number 4, add some incline. Find a hilly route or use a treadmill with an incline. Walking uphill challenges your body more and burns more calories. Number 5, track your steps. As I mentioned before, tracking your steps will help you stay motivated and consistent. Number 6, vary your routes. Change your walking routes to keep things fresh. Walk in different parks, neighborhoods, or natural trails to keep it interesting and exciting. So, what are the mental benefits of walking? Weight loss is not just about the body, it's also about the mind. Walking can be incredibly therapeutic. The rhythmic motion of walking, the fresh air, and the calmness of nature all contribute to mental clarity and relaxation. It reduces stress, clears your mind, and can even help manage anxiety and depression. A simple walk can help you refocus and reset after a hectic day. This mental boost is just as important as the physical one because a healthy mind is essential for staying committed to your weight loss journey. So, who can walk for weight loss? The beauty of walking is that it's accessible to everyone, whether you are young or old, healthy or dealing with health challenges. Walking is suitable for all fitness levels. If you are new to exercise or dealing with joint pain, walking is one of the safest options. It's especially beneficial for those who have struggled with high impact activities in the past. Whether you are a senior or someone with limited mobility, walking can be a life changing addition to your routine. So, here is the truth: walking for weight loss is simple, effective, and accessible. It doesn't require a gym, fancy equipment, or complicated workout routines. It just requires commitment and consistency. Even if you start with just 10 to 15 minutes a day, the key is to make it a regular habit. Start small but be consistent. Your body will thank you. And remember, the weight loss journey is all about progress, not perfection. Every step you take, physically and mentally, brings you closer to your goals. So go ahead, take that first step, and then take another. Because in the end, walking isn't just about losing weight, it's about gaining health, gaining confidence, and gaining the life you want to live. Stay consistent, keep walking, and enjoy the journey. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to live a healthier life. See you in the next video. Bye bye.